Hello everyone, my name is Disha. Today I'm sharing birthday note cards. I'm using Craftangle's watercolor paper smooth and some liquid watercolors. I have cut my A5 watercolor paper into two halves for my note cards. For the first note card, I'm using Poison Ivy, Limelight, Mystical Waves, Evergreen, and Moss Green, all shades of green. So I'm going to start by taking a wet brush and creating a big blob on my paper. And then I will drop my liquid watercolor on it and spread it. While it is still wet, I will make an oval with water on my brush and I will repeat the steps till I have filled up the space. I also make sure that all the shapes are touching each other slightly. This helps the colors to merge and create something beautiful. Give it some time to dry, and once it's dry, I'm going to use my fine liner and draw some lines and patterns to give them an abstract tree look. Using the same fine liner, I'm writing the word happy birthday. I am using a pencil to trace out the word so that when I darken my downstrokes, I don't end up making a mistake. Now remember that all the downstrokes will be shaded darker to create the calligraphy look. And with this, our first note card is ready. You can write your message at the back and it's good to be sent out with a gift. For the second note card, I am using the colors ripe plum, lemon tart, autumn blaze, grape jelly, red paprika, and pretty peony. For this note card, you just have to draw some vertical and horizontal lines with different colors in no set order. Let the colors be random. This is a very good activity for kids as well. In fact, both the note cards we made today would be perfect for kids to do on their own. It doesn't require any special skills, just standing and sleeping lines and some blobs to be made into cards or note cards. Now I am making some note cards here, but you can always paste these on a cardstock and make yourself some easy peasy cards. Since my colors are so dark and vibrant, I am going to be using a Sharpie marker to write the words happy birthday. I'm giving a little twist to the alphabets this time. I'm using my calligraphy skills on the word happy, and birthday has been written in bold caps. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, hit the like button. You may check my page on Instagram. It's @theCrazyCraftLover. Also, if you try these out, tag Craftangles and me @theCrazyCraftLover, and we will be happy to share your work with others. Thank you. See you next time with another fun tutorial. Till then, stay safe.